guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by and watching this video right now. So I post videos related to beauty, fashion, lifestyle, DIY and much more than that. So make sure you're subscribed to my channel so that you never miss out any of the video whenever it goes live. So by the title, you know it already what is this video all about. So without any further ado, let's get started. Very important to know what is your body type or the figure type you have, because it will help you to pick up the clothes which exactly fits you or looks really nice. So because everyone has a different body type, it is important to know what is your body type so that you can dress accordingly, so that you can enhance your features, whatever you have, whatever the body type you have. Though all the body types are beautiful, amazing, but it's the thing is we have to accept it whatever body type we have and act accordingly so that it is nicer that way, because you can't change your body type for sure. It is what it is, and these things will help you to pick up clothes very nice. I have seen a lot of people having choice problems. I have to pick what will looks good on me, and these things, this will help you. So the first step to look good is knowing your body type. Then you can wear whatever body type you belong to. According to that, you will have a lot of things which do's and don'ts, and you have to follow that, and it's that simple. Without any further ado, now let's get into the main part. To know what is your body type, all you need is a measuring tape and a person to measure, or else you can do it by yourself. So get these things and get ready. First step, as you took the tape and the someone to measure it out. I'm saying someone to measure it out because that will be more accurate if someone is helping you. If there is no one around, you have to do it yourself. Then stand in front of the mirror so that you can see what you're measuring. Next thing is make sure you're wearing something very thin, like a tight fitted clothes, so that it will be more accurate to know your measurements, actual measurements. You can wear leggings, tank tops or something like that. And by the way guys, it's not only for girls, boys also have a figure type for sure. So you can also, that this video is helpful for everyone. It's not a gender something, so it will be helpful for the both of them. Little differences will be there, but here and there, but that's fine. Okay, so yeah, you got the main instructions. Now let's get into what measurements you need. Is the chest measurement, then you need a waist measurement, then you need a hip measurement. So then other thing you can also use, like if you don't want to go for chest one, you can use the shoulder one too. Some of them take shoulder length to figure out your body shape, so you can do that as well. I'll show you some examples while taking the measurements. So yeah, these three are the things you need. For the chest, you need to measure the highest point of your chest. That is exactly this, something like this. You have to, highest point of your chest is the first measurement you need to know. So note it down. And next is the waistline. The smallest part of your waistline is what you have to measure it. So the smallest part, that is right under your rib. So that is the measurement you have to take. Then the hip is the largest part of your hip. That is the largest part of your hip. You have to take the measurement of that. So these three are the measurements, and you can take the shoulder one too. So keep it aside, I'll let you know how you can use it. So these are the 4 measurements and you are good to go. You have to compare it and see which has the largest and which has this least one. So compare this and put it aside. Make sure for the easy type understanding, you can take a paper and draw the lines of these measurements. For example, it's 34, draw a smaller line. If it's 38, you'll draw a little bigger line. You can, because I'm saying this because you can't draw 38 inches of line and see it, it's not possible. So do that. And if it's 45, do a little larger one. So this way you'll know how you can later join these lines and you can see a shape forming. That is your shape. So let's see how it works. first type of shape which I'm going to talk about is the triangle or the pear shape. This is the most common figure type, and most of the Indians have this figure type, and I'm also a pear shape or a triangle, you can call it. So this shape is a most common one. Most of them watching this also may have these figure type, but this is a very common and most of them will have it, and Indians have the most. So I'm gonna draw a picture so that you can understand it, and it will be very easy. For the triangle, so I'm gonna write here chest, waist and hip. So these are the three measurements which we took. I'll tell you the shoulder, how you can use it and how you can figure it that out. So for the chest, I'm gonna take some random measurements. I'll take, it has 36 chest, and the waist has 38 and hip has 48. Let's think, it's just a random thing, guys. So for the chest it's 36, so I'm gonna draw 36. So like this, I'm gonna draw 38, I'm gonna draw 48. So this is how it looks like, and you can see there is something different. You can see a shape forming here, you can see a triangle. So this is a triangle figure type, guys, because the lowest, the chest part should be the least. When your chest part is the lowest when compared to your waist and hip, then you belong to triangle figure type. So that is how you figure it out. If you are taking shoulder, then the shoulder should be the least when compared to your waist and hip. That is how you can take it. So hope you got it what I'm saying. So, and next is inverted triangle. Inverted, you can see like it's exactly the opposite of the triangle. So where the chest is the biggest part, then the waist and the hip, so they will look something like this. This is the inverted triangle. So that is how the hip area is for them is a little less than when the shoulders are really large, so they enhance more on the hip part so that they can balance it out. So this is the inverted triangle. The next figure type is apple. You belong to apple figure type when your waist is the largest part, then your hip and the chest, then you belong to apple. You can see I have drawn an apple here. This is how it's gonna look. When your highest, like out of three of the measurements, when your waist is the more, then you belong to the apple figure type. And this figure type people have slimmer legs and very nice shaped toned hips too. So they have nice body at the bottom for sure. Upper part though they have to manage it, but they have really nice legs and the hip area is very nice. So yeah, apple. Next is a square, or you can call it rectangle. For this figure type, all the three measurements are almost equal, then they are called as square or rectangle figure type. The next figure type is hourglass, guys. This one is like, you know, the most perfect figure type of hourglass. So then when the waist is the lowest than the other two, then you belong to hourglass. It has that perfect shape to it, like you draw the snow like this, it's that perfect, like this. Yeah, that's the perfect shape. So these are the types of figure types. These are the type of body types anyone can have. Most of them belong to I don't know, every body is different, so you have different body shapes, and all you have to take is chest, waist and hip. These three measurements will decide your figure type, guys. It's that simple. Hope it was helpful. Hope you understand whatever I explained. Drawing it was really simple so that you guys can understand it better. So let me know if you like it, and let me know if you want to see what all you can wear. Now you got to know how to measure your body type, and if you want to know what type of clothes will suit according to your body figure types, then please let me know. I'll do a dedicated video to that. Like for the individual types I'll do it. For the triangle I can wear it and show it, but the other figure types I'm going to just talk and give you some pictures or names so that you can understand, because other figure types, if I try it on me, there will be no difference because I belong to triangle. If someone can volunteer me, I'll find out around my friends. If they can volunteer me, I'll show it for you guys if they are comfortable. So please let me know, and I'm going to post a lot of things on Instagram as well, like outfit ideas for the pure triangle figure types, and I'll post some outfit idea or like a picture form. I'll make a nice outfit of the other figure types and I'll post it on Instagram, so make sure you follow me there. I'll post exclusive content for Instagram too. So yeah, that was my take on today's video, guys. Hope it was helpful, hope you like it as much as I enjoyed explaining it to you guys. I think it's going to be a really long video, so I'm going to end it right away. So please make sure to subscribe, share and like my video if you like it. I'll meet you in another video. Until then, bye.